You can see after installation we are getting these windows, and here you can see I don't have the internet on my PC. So how I will install the window? I will press Shift+f10 key and I will get the CMD window here. Then I will type OOBE \bypassNRO and then I will press enter. Then system will reboot. And here now you can see we have the option I don't have the internet. We will click on this button and we will proceed the setup. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thanks for watching.